fill them in. Because if you guys don't know how to do this, you're going to be lost the rest of the year. Okay, that's why we're going to spend this whole week working on conjugating verbs. Hopefully you are understanding subject pronouns. So you know your subject pronouns, now we're going to conjugate. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, I want everybody to draw a blank chart. Okay? Got a blank chart drawn? Okay? Somebody tell me an AR verb. Pick one out. Cantar. Okay, what does cantar mean? To sing. Okay, so we have cantar. Okay, here's our verb. So, according to your rules, what is the first thing we do to conjugate a verb? So, this is what I want you guys to do. I'm going to tell you this will help you while you're learning to conjugate verbs on your quizzes and tests. I'm going to recommend you do this. If I tell you to conjugate a verb, you look at your infinitive verb like this, and I want you to draw an X, like that. Okay? You draw an X to the AR and underline your stem. Okay? Your stem is what you have left. It's not going to change in regular verbs. Okay? So, this is what's going to go first, right? So you go here, go ahead and write C-A-N-T, because that's your stem, and then look over here, what is our ending in the yo form? So you're going to put an O. Confill. Okay? Then right here, we're going to go ahead and write our stem. What is the to form? A-S. Canvas. Okay? What about for the L-A-I-U-STED form? You add an A, so it would be canta. Okay? Then we go over here for nosotros, nosotras. Okay? You look up there, find your stem. And then what do we add? Amos. So that makes it cantamos. Okay? I'm going to show you vosotros just so you can see it written out. Okay? You still write your stem, C-A-N-T, and then you add A-I-S with an accent on the A to make it cantais. And then the very last one for ellos, ellas, ustedes, we put our stem, and what do you add? A-N to make it cantan. Okay? You guys kind of understand what we're doing? Mm-hmm. Okay. Today, I'm not going to give you sentences today that you have to plug these into. Today, we're going to concentrate on understanding where they go in the chart and how to fill in a chart with a new word. Okay? Because you have to understand how to change the words before you can look at a sentence and figure out what needs to go in there. Alright? So we're going to practice another one. Okay, let's do, where's my eraser? Let's do another one together. So now draw another chart. Okay? Everybody. You might think it's repetitive, but I promise the more you practice, the more you'll understand this. And you have got to understand this to be able to do the rest of the year. Okay? Draw your chart. Let's see, how about trabajar? Let's do a little bit longer word. Trabajar. Alright, Melina, what's the first thing we do?
The AR.
Okay, so go ahead and write you an X through your AR. Okay? Then we're going to underline the stem. Alright? Alright, let's go over here and fill it in. Okay, for the yo form, Jackson, what will we put?
We put no.
Okay, so how would you say it, do you think? Trabajo. Okay, this one's a little bit longer. That's why it's really important to underline the stem, because sometimes you might see this other A and leave it off and put trabo. Okay? So then let's go here, write our stem, T-R-A-B-A-J, and what do we put for the to form, Melina? A-S. So it would be trabajas. Okay? Hannah, what do we put for the L-A-I-U-STED form? be trabaja with an A at the end. Let's go over here to our plural side. Let's go ahead and write our stem. Okay, then we have amos. Okay, this is a hard word, it's long. Okay, you're gonna say trabajamos. Everybody say that.
Trabajamos.
Very good, okay? And I'll put down this one just in case you wanna know. Trabajáis. And then the very last one, who can tell me what it will be? Trabajan, very good. Okay, remember A's in Spanish are pronounced like A. So all this stuff we're adding is trabajo, trabajas, okay? All right, now we're gonna do one more, but I want you guys to try this one on your own. Okay, so draw you a chart. And I want the word to be hablar. What does hablar mean? To talk or to speak. Okay? So I want you to take this and I want you guys to fill in your chart. Okay, with the conjugated verbs. Okay, take a few minutes to do that and we're going to see if you guys did it right. Are y'all finished? See? Is anybody brave enough to write on the board what they did? Who wants to try it? Hannah? Okay. There you go. Okay? All right, Hannah, tell us what's the first thing you did. Yeah, go ahead and show us. Okay, first thing you did. X out the AR and under the stem. Very good. All right, for you, what did you put? Okay, so it'd be hablo. What did you put for two? So it'd be hablas. For LA got usted. Habla. For nosotros. Hablamos, very good, and we'll skip to the bottom to ellos, ellas, ustedes. So it'll be hablan, very good. Does anybody have any questions? You guys understanding pretty good? Okay, what I want you guys to do tonight, okay, you don't have any formal homework, however, you guys have got to study this. So I want you to go home and just like we've been doing, practice drawing these blank charts. The first one I want you to do, I want you to put your subject pronouns in it. Then I want you to draw another blank chart and put in your endings, okay? I can almost 100% promise you, you will see that on a quiz or test where you get a blank chart, you have to fill it in, okay? So it'd be good for you, you guys want to come to 11:17 tomorrow, check in, okay? So it'll be good for you to get this practice, so tomorrow we're gonna start putting it like in sentences. Like if we saw the word, we'll use our missing compadre here, Xavier. If it said Xavier blank mucho and our word was hablar, we would say Xavier habla mucho. Okay, Xavier talks a lot. Okay, That's what we're gonna start doing tomorrow. So be comfortable with your subject pronouns and with your chart filling in what goes where. Okay? So practice that for tonight and you'll be ready to go tomorrow.